Hi, it's Lyndsey with the Horry County Memorial Libraries. We all love that fettuccine Alfredo, but I know we don't love the calories. Today I'm going to show you how to make a skinny fettuccine Alfredo using low-fat milk, but it'll have that same delicious taste. For this recipe, you need 12 ounces of fettuccine, or any pasta will do, a tablespoon of olive oil, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of low-fat milk, 3/4 of a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. The first thing we want to do is cook our pasta al dente according to the package directions in generously salted water. While the pasta is cooking, you're going to heat olive oil in a large sauté pan over medium-high heat. We'll add the garlic and sauté 1 minute, stirring occasionally till we get that good garlic smell. Then we're going to stir in the flour, and we're going to stir continuously to combine. We're going to cook this for about an additional minute, stirring occasionally. Very slowly, we're going to add the chicken broth and the milk, whisking until smooth. We want that mixture to come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, we're going to cook it an additional minute until it's thickened. Next, we'll stir in the Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper just to taste. Once the cheese has melted, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and just let it simmer until the pasta reaches al dente. You want to make sure to stir it occasionally. Once the pasta is done, you'll drain it and immediately add the pasta to the pan with the sauce. You can toss it to combine and serve with fresh Parmesan or fresh parsley if desired. And there you have it, a bowl of skinny fettuccine Alfredo. We hope you enjoy this delicious family-friendly meal. We'll see you next time.